Okay, this is Buildable Part 7. And guys, this is the mesh that you're actually waiting to see it. Made by Lage North. Under me is myself. And guys, we're going to play myself a hoverboard in my Mecha Man. So I was in tall size myself. I'm taller than this shorter tree branch. And guys, before we start the Mecha Man mesh, I'd like you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more uploads. And guys, I am here on my tall KMP of myself form in this task. So what I'm going to do is load in this Mecha Man. It is not mechanic, but sure, it is kinda insane. So what you're going to do to set up this Mecha Man, cause yeah, it has a glass, so it will. So now I'll place myself a cake, jump, delete the chair, and place the glue blocks. And this is where it goes interesting. Since glue blocks will stick you, and once you press it, it detach itself. Yeah, like I'm pressing the glue block right now. And this is where you delete the truths. And now delete these blocks. Make sure you're unanchored so it will be not anchored. So now guys, what we're going to do is, be in my past area. And guys, before you even do this, I will go tall. I will go insanely tall. Oh my god. Jesse TC, do you know how to make this? I mean, a very long time Jesse TC needed to make a tall like shoes, and he just fall. So this is one the thing looks like. And when you go walk with your tall things, you actually don't have any control of it. You don't have any control about this. So that's why I'm going to make it really down. Okay. Oh my god, why I'm sliding. Oh my god. Anyway, you can even fly by jumping, because it will make you go really little long since it's good. Wait, is this connected to the thing? No. Okay, so it will take me at least 9 minutes. So guys, it will take 9 minutes for me to finish my video, and I still have time. It's now morning of clock of 9:44. And guys, now we're going to do is now finish my thing for El Saco bicycle, which is a motorcycle. It's really kind of weird. And guys, when you press that blue block, the thing will collide with itself. It only has 2 seats, the one that you can control and the one that the player will sit on. And guys, let's invade these teams. Okay, using my hover cycle. The thing it's collision though, there is something that flies the thing, emits this thing that was collision off, but it is still flying. I mean, oh, so this is what's happening to fly the thing. That's why it's sliding like a seesaw. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's going to invade. It's going to invade. Oh my god. Okay, I just made and manage and build a boat. Whoa, my god. That's why I don't use the back flip. I mean, I never used front flips on a bicycle before. But this is so insane. So guys, before you see the mechanic, this is cool. So when you just want to see this, it will be colored like invisible. This is colored invisible. And when you open the property tool and make this go 0, the thing will turn white without noticing. So it will be the color green, and you can see this is now color green. And guys, before this bike is really awesome, let me just show this mechanic of this thing right here, which is balancing the thing. It is a wooden block, but it's really kind of balancing, so it looked like a bridge to me when this one never got. So what I'm going to do is do this, and now you can see the mechanic where it gets like a swing. Oh my god. Okay, the other mechanics for this thing is my lack, which is a pop out for the thing. You ever know about this? You know, yeah. Also, before this pop out, okay, orange come out of the vent. Among Us orange in a vent, cause orange. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. So, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys, cause orange will go out of the vent. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and orange got out of the vent. And guys, this is kinda awesome. And yeah, don't even never think about it for being another insane pop out. Before that, Il Saco, Lolal is next. So this thing, I made a lot of mess-ups. I never need these things, cause yeah. Look, this is a car window wiper that makes the pole go like wiping on, like, if this is the most greatest mechanic. And guys, this is the thing. Wait, I will go to BFK before you see the wiper. Okay guys, I'm back, since it's really annoying to have the thing. And last but not least is my controllable conveyor. I will place that, the light. Come on. Go. Okay, and you see, this conveyor controls you really right. And when you control really right, and the last thing for sure is this one. And it will let you go in the opposite direction where I was at again. And guys, this is the last episode of my video. But not the last episode until KMP is not going to end or die. So anyways guys, this is okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and yeah, 9 minutes again.